Good morning, everyone. This is Tamara Lee Ulmer with Arizona Resource Realty, and I am here with Tiffany McDaniel this morning, getting ready to show you this new beautiful condo that just hit the market in Payson, Arizona. The address is 606 North Easy Street, Unit D, and we're gonna go ahead and take you for a tour. As you can see, it has a beautiful wooded setting here, located in a cul-de-sac, and so really a beautiful condo here. And let's go ahead and walk around and show you, first of all, the garage. So we're gonna start at the garage this morning. And there is our sign, as you can see, just listed, again, Payson, Arizona. We're getting ready to walk into the garage and meet Tiffany.
Morning.
Morning, Tiff.
All right, so this is 606 North Easy Street. Unit D is the condo that we currently have for sale. It's nice, it's got a decent sized garage here with the built-in shelving. This unit has an additional storage area, which I don't think any of the other units do. It's a nice big storage area.
Yeah, that is really nice storage.
And then just a little cutesy here. We've got a dumbwaiter, so you don't have to carry your stuff up the stairs.
Okay.
I wonder if that would hold me. No, just kidding.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Okay,
Right.
so are we going around this side? Or?
Yeah, let's go ahead and go around the side. So the condo itself is cute. It's an upstairs unit, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. We've got a front deck and a back deck, and we'll show you when we get up there.
Yeah, it's a beautiful setting out here. Beautiful day. I just love all the vegetation. Really is peaceful and serene.
Yeah, and the Easy Street is just off the main drag, so you're off the beeline highway, but you're still fairly close to, close proximity to shopping, dining, the parks.
Okay.
All right, and here we are, Unit D. Come on in. You got a nice wood-burning fireplace here. And then you've got your, there's a stick in here, but front deck.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Pine tree views.
Oh yeah, really nice.
And then off to the right, we've got your 2 bedrooms. We'll go counterclockwise for now. So this is bedroom 2. It's a spacious bedroom. They had a California king, a little office setup.
Okay.
Then your guest bathroom, which is a full bath.
That's really nice.
And then your main bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a really large room.
Yeah,
it's
it
a
is.
king storage bed.
Right.
Little walk-in closet, and then you've got your 3/4 bathroom with a walk-in shower, which everyone wants a walk-in shower these days.
Yeah. Really nice.
And then as we go back in, you've got your kitchen and really nice sized laundry room.
I love the tall ceilings in here.
Yeah, you know what, and the skylights too.
Yeah.
Not to mention them, but it's all electric. Lots of counter space, lots of cabinet space. And then big laundry room with your dumbwaiter.
Yeah, that's really nice. Okay.
And then,
I bet we would both fit in there.
yeah. Let's try it. Then I love this back porch, back deck.
Yeah, really.
Common area, the green. Almost every other time, at least, I'm here. There's a resident herd of elk that just lay down out there, eat the grass, look at you like, yeah, this is my town.
Yeah, that is really nice. It offers a lot of privacy.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you've got additional storage.
Lots of storage on this
Mhm.
unit.
Yep. I
Okay.
don't believe the CCNRs allow for short-term rentals, but I do know you could rent it out long-term. It would be a great little easy second home getaway. And of course, it would be a great primary residence too. So it's 606 North Easy Street, Unit D in Payson, Arizona. 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. It is the lowest priced condo on the market. Heck, it's one of the lowest priced homes on the market right now. So
In Payson, yeah.
well,
Thank you for joining us today on this tour. So until next time,
make it a great day.